So we're at Norwood Central in Norwood, Massachusetts. As you can see behind me here, right before the platform, there's 2 active tracks that go over this bridge, and then there's 2 not active tracks. So there's a 4-track bridge at one point, and there's actually a switch up there that had 2 tracks and then switched to the main line. And the siding that, as you can see, is buried by all the brush, goes up to this Regal Press building, which was actually an old newspaper facility back in the day, I think around 1960s or so. But yeah, it used to be a ton of tracks around here. I mean, this track right here actually went straight down this platform, and there's actually a couple of those buffers way down there near the switch where CSX takes it down to the Birds Mill. It's pretty cool.